The course is a 3-semester master's programme, 1-year programme, and on that course we look at pre-production work, we look at post-production, and most importantly we look at the production of animation visual effects using the professional pipeline that industry uses. The unique thing about this course is that we blend the creative and the technical skills. So we look at story, we look at narrative, we look at script writing, but we also look at the technical processes utilising software such as Maya, Nuke and other compositing software that is industry standard.
I picked this course because it has a really good reputation internationally as well. Definitely it's in the top of the UK, so that's why I chose this one. Also because I did an undergrad here and I already knew the city, so I thought it was a perfect opportunity.
What makes this course unique is the way it both focuses on individual work and teamwork.
We do a live project with an industry partner. In the past we've worked with The Mill in London, we've worked with Axis Animation in Glasgow, and we've also worked with Beano Studios this year. And what's great about that project is it's externally led and the students have to answer a brief that is set by the client.
The first live project we worked for this course was the Beano project. We worked with Beano Studios here in Dundee, and the assignment was we were to take a previously existing character from the comics, a very famous character. We had to choose we had 4 choices, and reimagine it nowadays and make it marketable for a younger audience, but in today's television. So we pretty much made a short film. It was a 3D film, and it wasn't a competition, we just pitched ideas. It was so much fun. They loved our films, they had really good feedback, and this really helped us to see how a client is going to ask for things, how we can put our own little details but still create the product that the client wanted. So this was really educational.
The other students all come from different backgrounds, and that's actually really interesting because, for example, I come from an interior design background and we got someone who was an accountant before. So we all got like this different skill set, but it's really good to see what they bring to the table, and it was so valuable to learn from these people who all have different skills and talents, and yeah, it was a good mix.
As a master student, you're given your own space to be at, like the grad center, and you're also able to work on like the 3D lab and also the green studio, which you can do your live action via films at, and basically anywhere else that's available for use, like the library and other places as well. So we do have quite a lot of freedom in places that we can work on.
A lot of our graduates go on to work on TV, film, animation, video games work. So we have some of our students going into studios like Industrial Light and Magic, MPC, working in Vancouver, working in Bangalore, working all over the world. We have really strong connections with industry, so we do internships, placements, and we have a very good track record of getting our students into practice.
I think my favorite part of the course was this room, because it is literally designed for animation students and creative people. This is where we became a team, family. This is where we first met our teachers, and we first got to bond with them. And the environment, just the way it inspires a creative person to do the stuff we want to do without it being a strict educational area.